Alright, so we've actually made it to the airport because we are going to surprise all of our friends over at the LZ World Tour because we're actually able to go. At the start we weren't going because we weren't able to, but now we are. So yeah, it's like a last minute kind of thing. Today it's Friday night at the moment. Our flight doesn't get until like 10:30 Melbourne time, so it's like pretty late, and then we're heading straight to the track in the morning on Saturday. So it's gonna be a very quick, short and sweet trip. But yeah, like Marsh, Dana, Russell, Bailey, Kenny, Elise, David Hunter's there obviously, and then like Tay is driving, who else, Benji, then Ty and Grant, Jimmy, all the guys. Obviously you guys would have been, by the time you've seen this, you would have watched the event. But yeah, everyone's there. None of them know that we're coming, just be a bit of a surprise. And yeah, we'll give Marsh a bit of shit for not doing his washing before he left. And yeah, it's just going to be a cool weekend. You know, we're there for like 72 hours or something. So yeah, shout out to Mikey Lake for letting us stay at his house and kind of helping us jack it up in the background. And yeah, it should be fun. You excited?
Yeah.
You want to go?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Alright, so yeah, we're going to go inside and we're pretty early for the airport, but we've just been at Kenda and stuff, and we've just been up here in Auckland today doing some things. So we, yeah, kind of killed some time, and now we're going to go and kind of just chill out at the airport for a couple of hours, wait for our flight, and yeah, we'll be on our way. Cheers. Got our little rental car. Let's go. So we made it to Calder Park, and now we're going to go somewhere around. It's really windy, but I think Ty just turned in. So. Alright, I've got a fucking complaint.
Oh, bullshit. Stop. You fucking lying shit. Stop. That's sick. I didn't know you were coming.
Nobody does.
Fuckers.
No, no one knows we're here, so we're just... What the fuck are you dogs are saying?
Oh, no fucking way, dude. Oh my god. Are you kidding me?
We made it.
No way.
Can't have the boys this close and fucking not come say
Oh, no way, dude. I need my own. Come here. Oh, here, let's...
Let's get out of the way, let's get out of the way.
Uppies.
Fucking dog.
Good.
Dog.
Sweet, so we have made it here to Calder Park. Stayed at Mike Lake's last night. Yeah, fuck. It's crazy that we actually pulled this off. Obviously a really good surprise for Jimmy and Grant. They were stoked. And seeing Ty as well. So we're just got to wait to see Marsh and Dana and everyone else. So yeah, it's really windy here, so we're going to try and make the sound work, but who knows. The boys are just getting Mike's car set up now. No, you're good, brother. And yeah, the boys are going to driver's briefing. Yeah, it's going to be a sick day. It is overcast and very windy, so hopefully the weather's not too bad, and you know, it should be a good day, and we can put it on and just fucking enjoy being around here with everyone. And yeah, it's cool that everyone's stoked to see us. Caught up with Levi Clark and the boys over there, and then we're gonna have to see Benji. He hasn't turned up yet, so that's cool. Cool to see the Kiwi boys. Tay, Renee Richmond's here chilling out. The Jenkins boys. Yeah, like everyone is sick. So yeah, let's go have a good day, and hopefully this video comes out pretty good.
What the fuck?
Hello, brother. You gonna do alright today or what?
How you doing, man? How you doing? I think you're coming over.
No, last night we got here at midnight and fuck it, let's make it happen.
You just couldn't handle seeing everything, eh?
Yeah, bro, I'm like sitting there, I'm like, fuck, this sucks. Like our flatmates are here and shit, I'm like, oh man.
Big phobia, right? Oh, good to be there. Sweet. Wicked.
Hi. We made
We're
it.
having a good trip with our YouTube.
Yeah, I know, right? You just didn't do the fucking dishes before you left, so we come and thought we'd tell you off.
Right.
Oh well, that worked.
Grant was right.
Yeah, but he didn't know. We turned up this morning, and he was. Yes, but he goes. Yeah, Mike was. He was staying at his house. But then Grant was like, Mike said, but he's like. But then I asked every other Kiwi, and they were like, "No, guys, not coming." And I saw you guys, they're not coming, and he was like, oh, maybe he was all shit. And then and we turned up, they're like, oh fuck! It worked perfectly. Hi.
No.
Nah, we've got some others. Oh, perfect. All right, now everybody knows that we're here. We're good to go. Nice matching outfits.
Lisa's wearing it too.
Oh yeah, because Kenny and Lisa, they're not here. They don't know that we're here either. All right, perfect.
I was like, please.
Yeah, I know, right? We live together, eh? And it's like, we're like, oh, Marcia's gonna be stoked. That's so funny. Yeah, all week. Bro, and then my mum the other night was like, so you guys all ready to go? You're doing the dishes? And I'm like, Mum, she's like, fuck. Like, yeah, and we're like, yeah, Marcia's ready to go. Da, da, da. And she's like, oh my god, fuck. And then like, yeah, watch out, babe. But yeah, we knew that it was gonna happen. It was so funny. I love it. Hi. Some RB goodness, brother. Alright, so everyone's just been out for practice. Kenny's here. Woo. He's pretty happy that we're here as well. But yeah, everyone's been out for practice and just kind of getting a feel for it. I think they start qualifying later today, so it's alright. Yeah, there's shit going on everywhere. These boys have got a grinder out. Heaps of cool cars. Like this thing. This 13 is sick. But yeah, everything is so good. Heaps of people here. The line for merch is crazy. So yeah, Mike's been out there. Nearly hit the wall, but he's all good. I don't know anything about this thing. BMWs are no good.
Hey, you didn't pay anything. It looks janky, but it works, alright?
Hey, I'm about it.
The burn marks and stuff, but she husses.
Yeah. Don't worry about the things that have been on fire before.
I left cardboard under there the other day.
That'll do it.
Yeah. And then I sent my friend out on track to drive it. I was like, bro, take my car, because he blew his up. And I left the cardboard under, because I put it there to wash it, because it's got vented bonnet. It set on fire.
That's rough. That is rough.
And I was like, bro, it's all my fault.
That was 100% my fault, yeah.
Bad, poor kid.
Jeez.
So good. Oh, car steering fluid? Sorry.
Oh, power steering. We have power steering issues all the time. Don't worry about it. And then he's got a real drive Evo. I've got electric. It sucks.
Does it?
And then the Laurel has pump, and it sucks too. So.
Don't tell me that. I'm driving that. So.
Yeah, it's alright. You'll be here. Yes. Oh.
Yeah? Hello.
Hi.
How you going, mate?
Some RB goodness.
I brought the wrong shot.
No, I know. Hey, but we can pull it apart if need be.
I think it's as skinny as my dude.
Nah, thanks for coming down, man.
We'll try.
Even though I was wrong, you still tried.
Yeah, I know, right? I know. It's a 33, so not too bad. A bit of RB mana for our Kiwi friends. Look at it.
It's a bit dirty.
Cam Munn, did you street drive this here?
I was going to, but I popped the radiator as I was loading on the trailer to come back from the dyno.
Oh, so that'll do. None of that. None of
I'll
that.
drive it home.
I fucking hope you can drive it home. Hold together, baby. Hold together.
Yeah.
So is it a 25?
25, yeah. So the head's been modified to suit ITBs.
Yeah, right.
Big mistake.
So it's got no fuck. My one's sick.
Yeah, my tuner reckons that because the ports and the intake are bigger and it's smaller, and it drops into the intake, like into the head.
Yeah, it's just the wrong variation.
Yeah,
kind of
and
thing.
some sort of velocity, I don't know, some tuner.
Some flash, fancy shit.
yeah.
So you got the 26 covers
Yep.
and a 26 intake and with a 25.
Yeah. Well, it's 2.6 and 25.
Okay.
It's actually like.
You need a good 30, mate.
I got a 30 in my S14, and I'm like, do I put it in this instead?
You definitely should, because 30s are the only way to go. But hey, it's all good. Good to see an RB out here.
Oh man.
Fuck these Jay-Z's and dumb
They
shit.
sound like crap. Don't they?
V8s are dumb. Like, gosh.
It's not an RB. You should go home.
Yeah, exactly.
So we'll just send them home. It's all good.
Yeah, exactly. Put them in the trailer. Put them in the trailer. And Tay's been in the wall as well. What did you do, Des?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing at all.
Holy. Is it alright? Only cosmetic-ish?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Like bent an arm from just a toe arm. Kind of where it, because of how it's hit, like obviously it's a subframe, pushes everything in that way, and this can only bend so far, and
They can,
it's
yeah.
the knuckle as well. So the knuckle's got a little bit of a bend in it, but yeah, put a new toe arm in.
Should be right.
Up the knuckle as much as we can, and then
Lunchy's under there, fucking all under control.
all out of control.
Yeah. Oh, hell. Oh, strap it to the ute, mate. Okay, no worries.
No, we need
Oh,
to-
you guys got a nice 300 series over there. You can do a nice limmy dump.
Don't pretend like you know what you're talking about, Darren.
Yeah, he wouldn't have a clue, this guy.
No, it wouldn't.
He just stands there, points fingers.
Camera comes out, Darren jumps in.
Yeah. Like a blister, he shows up when the hard work's done.
We've seen what he done to the Super.
Yeah. But yeah, Mitch is actually here in his own car, which is cool to see. He had like a little drive just down the block, like 3,000 something kilometers. Well, nearly, 40 hours. But is that, so it's a LS what?
This one's like it's got a 6-litre bottom end, so it's like a. I think we used. What block did we use on this one? L98. Right, so this is
L98, yeah.
L98 block, and then we used L98 heads, but Higgins race ported heads.
Yeah, right.
So big dog CNC heads, and then Holly E5 manifold, Vortex supercharger. We've got a new partner on board from Captain Performance in South Australia. We're working with them in Vortex, just expanding the program and trying some new things out. And it's been a pretty wild ride so far.
Yeah, well, yeah, fuck, it's been a mission to get here. But yeah, so it's is it a DX?
It's well, you guys call it a DX, I think, but it's called a K70.
K70, yeah, K70 sedan. So yeah, it's something that's wild as it is, let alone look like bloody street stock with the bash bars and stuff.
So we actually spent a bit of time over the last 5 weeks. So we got that from World Time Attack, and I've worked on this for 5 weeks straight. So
Fucking hell. And to the last minute,
last minute, yeah.
and then we gotta go
So
for our
we left
50.
on Monday afternoon, and we got the wheels out of customs at 1 PM on Monday, and we put the wheels on, trucked on the trailer, come straight here.
Far out.
And we've done heaps of little stuff with like the aero and stuff, but we couldn't put it all on because of the trip. Obviously 4,000 Ks on a trailer bouncing around.
Yeah, you'd lose half of it by the time it got here, yeah.
So we just kept it sort of pretty basic, but like we've done things like these are factory seal guards.
Oh,
So
wow.
We actually fabricated these and widened them. And,
Oh, sick. That's cool though.
so there's a lot of hours.
Yeah, that's fucking sick.
We've got like canards that we've made and a big like side set that comes out.
Yeah.
All this cool aero that.
Hey, another day. Another day.
Yeah, like this was a lot of work. Like we cut and welded and made like a piece to go in there. Then
To
bolted
make,
and
yeah. It looks bad under it, but hey, from over here it looks good. That's fucking, looks tidy.
All steel quarters, steel.
Good old girl, good old girl.
Yeah, she's a good girl,
I love it. Oh, brother. Fuck, that's noisy. V8s are dumb.
but not all V8.
Not all of them. But yeah, good luck, brother. Have fun.